Welcome to the Bull Run Bootcamp. Before we get started, go ahead and like, subscribe, and share Big Guy content with your fellow Chads on social media. We're diving into an important part of the cryptocurrency world. We'll focus on two popular stablecoins, Tether and USDC. Let's explore what they are and why they're so important. Stablecoins like Tether and USDC are a special type of cryptocurrency designed to keep their value steady. Unlike other crypto that can fluctuate wildly, stablecoins aim to maintain a stable value, often pegged to a traditional currency like the US dollar. For example, Tether and USDC are both pegged to the US dollar. This means that one Tether or one USDC is worth one US dollar. This stability makes them very useful in the world of digital finance. So, why are stablecoins important? First, they offer stability. In the volatile world of cryptocurrencies where prices can change quickly, having a stablecoin lets people and businesses make transactions without worrying about sudden changes in value. Stablecoins are great for everyday transactions. If you're buying something online or transferring money, using a stablecoin ensures that the amount that you're sending or receiving doesn't fluctuate. This makes budgeting and financial planning much easier. They're also useful in crypto trading. Traders often use stablecoins to move their funds between different cryptocurrencies. For example, if you want to sell crypto but don't want to hold it in a more volatile asset, you can convert it into a stablecoin. This way, your funds stay stable until you're ready to make your next move. Stablecoins help manage risk in volatile markets. By providing a stable value, they offer a safe haven for investors during market swings. This can make trading and investing in crypto less risky and more predictable. Finally, stablecoins can be easily integrated with various financial services and platforms. They are widely accepted and can be used for things like savings, loans, and even payments, bridging the gap between traditional finance and the digital world. To sum it up, stablecoins like Tether and USDC provide stability in the crypto world. They help with everyday transactions, trading, risk management, and integration with financial services. Their steady value makes them a crucial part of the digital economy. Thanks for watching. We hope this helps you understand the importance of stablecoins and how they fit into the world of crypto.